Hello guys, welcome back to class. In this session, we will continue the assignment operators. In the previous session, we have done simple assignment operator. The whole session, we completed only one operator equals with typecasting, conversions, all that. Now, compound assignment operators. How many compound assignment operators are there? How many compound assignment operators? 5. Compound assignment operators. So one is the plus equals. These two combination is one operator. Its goal is simple. If I write a plus equals to 10, this will be expanded to a equals to a plus 10. Simple. Right? But instead of writing too lengthy, we are writing a shortcut like this. Now tell me, number one, what is the purpose of this operator, guys? Purpose of these operators? They do two operations. Am I right? In this, it will do arithmetic operation and assignment. Both are happening. Arithmetic and assignment. Combination of arithmetic and assignment is the compound assignment. Second is, these are all binary operators. These are all binary. We need two operands. A is there and 10 is there. A plus equals to 10. Similarly, if you use minus equals, then you're going to use as a minus equals to 10 means a equals to a minus 10. So arithmetic operation is there, assignment operation is there. Similarly, other operators also. Right? So nothing more in this. But only one point to remember, it is a combination of arithmetic plus assignment. In this, which is happening first? Arithmetic happening first or assignment happening first? Two operations happening, arithmetic and which operation happening first? Arithmetic happening first or assignment happening first, guys? Arithmetic first or assignment first? First arithmetic happens and then assignment happens, right? Combination of two, right? Simple labs will work out on this. So previous session we have done 98, right? Now 99 lab number. So in this we'll do as int a equals to simple value as 90. Next. Print it. So currently a value is 90. You can write a plus equals to 9. Means the result it is storing in the same variable only, right? Result is storing the same variable. It will make a equals to a plus 9. First 90 plus 9, 99. Result 99 will be assigned to the a. Result 99 will be assigned to the a. So it comes as 99. Okay, simple lab, nothing new. 99 will compile and run. Okay. Lab number 100. We reached 100 labs now. I am declaring byte b equals to 90 and then printing the b and b equals to b plus 9. Printing the b. Can you tell what happens now? I am not using compound assignment here. Is this a compound assignment? Is this a compound assignment? No. I use separately two operators. These are two operators I use. Separately plus used, separately equals used, regular I used. Okay, you tell the answer, guys, now. Will it compile or not? If what is the output? You should not forget the old story. Old, till now we learned lot of points, right? I'm not asking guys solution. Tell me, will it compile or not? If it is compiling, what is the output? If not compiling, error means what is the error and why? So this lab already we discussed many times. Again, I intentionally given this. B is a byte plus 9 is integer. Byte plus integer, what is the result? Byte plus integer, what is the result, guys? Byte plus integer is integer. Now, integer you are assigning to byte. This result is coming as int. Int you are assigning to byte directly. Int you are assigning to byte directly. What should happen now? Int you are assigning to byte directly. What should happen? Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Very good, Pavani. Okay. You remembered old points, right? But you have taken a lot of time to answer this. 100 you compile. So you are telling compile time error will come, right? Okay. Very good. So as we expected, same thing. Compile time error. Okay, leave it. 101.7. Instead of expanded form, I will do as b plus equals to 9. I just used a compound assignment here. Now tell me, guys. I'm using compound assignment here. Now tell me. I'm using compound assignment. Now tell me what happens. How can you say it is running Poonam, Hari, Bono? But same thing we are doing previous, like previous also, right? We are doing byte plus integer only. But that is the point you have to learn. That's what the lab is designed, guys. This is compiled successfully, running successfully, giving output as 9099. So tell me something is going on here. Is this widening or narrowing? Is this widening or narrowing? Higher to lower, right? Internally it will make it as a b equals to b plus 9 only. Okay? B plus 9 means b is the byte. Byte plus 9, result coming as 99 as integer. So integer to byte. This is integer higher to lower because integer to byte. So you are telling as a narrowing, you are good. But in the case of narrowing, explicit casting should happen. We got the error in the lab number 100. Same thing we got error in the lab number 100. But here, in the narrowing case, I think implicit casting happened, right? Narrowing, two things. Implicit casting, explicit casting. Generally, narrowing case is to do the explicit casting. But narrowing case, implicit casting happened here. I told you some special cases where implicit casting happens in the case of narrowing is this is the case. This is the case. So we'll go back to our nodes previous. So what is the special case, guys? First example. What I have taken first as just I'll write the compound assignment operators. Compound assignment. In the case of compound assignment operator, special case one. In the case of compound assignment operators, In the case of compound assignment operators, implicit casting is happening in the case of narrowing. Understand, guys? Same thing if you do on the regular operators. You have to do the explicit casting. There's a difference I shown. Lab number 100. I used the regular operators plus assignment. Separately I used. Separately means explicit casting should happen in the case of narrowing. We got the error. But in the compound assignment operators case, implicit casting is happening in the case of narrowing. One case. We have another case. We'll come back to that again. I'll show the lab there and I'll come back and update this diagram. Okay. So that is clear. That's what we're not getting error. So you understand the reason now? You understand the reason why 100 is giving error, 101 not giving error? Right. Next, 102. Okay. I will take into A equals to 10. Into A equals to 10. A star equals to 3 plus 4. Into A this is. So first I am printing A value. A I am printing and after doing operation, A changed, right? A will be changed. Then I am printing the value. You tell me. I'll wait for your answer. Poonam answer is 1034. Hari answer is 1070. Means you are doing in different calculations. Means there are two options, right? Yes, there are two options. Which one happens is the important. Which one happens is the important. Okay. I will do same thing in a different way. Okay. This printing A anyway, leave it unnecessary. Just after doing operations, what is A value I want? Same thing I'll do here. Into B equals to 10. B equals to B into 3 plus 4. Normal expanded form, what happens? Expanded form, what happens? Expanded form, what happens? Shortcut, what happens? 1 or 2. So your answers, what is A value, what is B value? One time you give it. A value, B value, tell me. A and B. Pavan is 70, 34. 10 will not come. Monica, 10 will not come at all because I am not printing directly. 10 is not coming. 10 won't come, guys. See the code. I think I changed the code. 10 will not come at all. Is it 34, 34 or 34, 70 or 70, 34? This combination only has to come, I think. Only operator precedence is important, right? The agenda of this lab is understanding priority of the operator evolution. Okay. First see your output. So telling some are 70, 34, some are 34, 34. Okay. Then some are right, some are wrong. 70, 34. Joshit, Hari. Two guys told like that. So what is happening? Come to the operator precedence. Now, what is the output we got? 70 and 34, right? Okay, keep that. So in this first expression I am writing A star equals to 3 plus 4. Okay? A star equals 3 plus 4. This expression is B equals to B star 3 plus 4. Now, in this expression, first we'll talk about the first example. In this expression, tell me how many operators are used. Number you tell me. How many operators are used in this? I am talking about a case 1. How many operators are used? 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 Pavitra, check it again. Two only. I told you already in the compound assignment operators, star equals is compound assignment operator. These two operators combination will be considered as single operator. This is one used. What are used? Two only. This is the one operator, guys, and this is the one operator. That's it. Only two operators used in this case one. Very good. Now, which is the priority? Operator precedence important. What are the operators used? Plus operator is the one and a star equals one. Two operators. In this, which will take the more priority? Arithmetic will take, guys. Regular arithmetic will take a more priority. See, regular arithmetic plus comma minus. And what about star? Star will take more than that, right? Star division and modulo first. This is the first group, right? And plus minus second group, right? And assignment, compound assignment will take less priority than regular arithmetic operators. So plus equals, minus equals, star equals. These are all comes under a similar group. Or this also you can keep in a two groups again, plus or you can keep under this. Now tell me which one will happen first? According to this, which one will happen first, guys? Plus will happen first. Okay, do the plus only then. So A star equals first 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means 7. Then evaluate this. Then it will make A equals to A into 7. A is a 10. 10 into 7, you got a 70. That's the output you got. Clear why it is giving same thing as same thing in the regular way, expanded way. This is the key difference. And come to the second case. In second case, how many operators are used, guys? Second case, how many operators are used? Second case, how many operators are used? Yes, three operators. Plus is one operator, star is another operator, assignment is another operator. Three operators. And in this, what is the precedence? First star will happen, second plus will happen, and third assignment will happen. Do the first star. First star means B into B equals to 10 into B is 10. 10 into 3, 30 plus 4. So second this is done. Second plus should happen. B equals to 30 plus 4, 34. Next happen. Next is assignment. Next 34 assigned to B. Done. B is the 34. So clear? So in the expanded form, I want to do plus operation first. What to do? I am using expanded form. In this, I want to do plus operation first. Say I am taking into C. C equals to C into 3, printing C. If this is the case, it is showing C value as 34, right? But I want to do first, in this star is the first happening. But I want to do 3 plus 4 first. Then I want to multiply later. What changes are you doing this? Vishnu Priya, you're right. Parentheses you have to use. Give priority for more plus means generally star takes, but I want to give plus more priority. Put that in parentheses, takes more priority. C value will be now. What is C value now? C becomes the 70. Is that clear about operator precedence? Very good. So output of this program is 70, 34, and then 70. Compile this 102, guys. 70, 34, and 7. So that is about compound assignment operators. Our next operators is increment and decrement operators. 1 minute, guys. Increment and decrement operators. What is increment operator? Just plus plus. Plus plus is a single operator. Am I right? Is it a single operator or two operators? Single operator. Minus minus, single operator. For this operator, how many operands required? How many operands required? This is one enough, called as unary operators, right? These two are unary operators. It means only one operand is allowed. Only one operand is allowed. Which is, suppose if I use a plus plus, I can use, or plus plus a, I can use, either this side or that side, okay, which is equivalent to a equals to a plus 1 only. Same, a minus minus you can use, minus minus a you can use, which is equivalent to a equals to a minus 1. At high level, just increase by 1, decrease by 1. Simple. Increase by 1, decrease by 1. At high level, simple. Now, we need to understand when you are learning any operator, important points to learn. First is, what is the purpose of these operators, guys? What is the purpose of these operators? Either increase by 1 or decrease by 1. That is the purpose. You use that. Second is operands allowed. How many operands allowed? 1 operand is enough for this. That's what unary operator we're talking. Third is data types allowed for this. Important. What data types? 1 operand allowed. You're writing a plus plus or plus plus a minus minus, minus minus a. So what type is allowed? Can you use any type? Oh, numerics only. 6 numerics plus 1 char also okay. Char also okay, guys. 6 plus 1. These only allowed. Booleans not allowed. Strings not allowed. Right? Strings not allowed. And when you write this, the operand, another point is operand must be variable. Operand cannot be a constant or a value. It cannot be a value. It cannot be a value. Means, can I say 10 plus plus? Can I say 10 plus plus? You can't say 10 plus plus. How it will go 10 plus plus? Because it is increasing value by 1. The increased value, it has to store back. If you want to store the increased value, there must be a variable only, right? Not allowed. A plus plus, yes, A is a variable. So it will take whatever current value is there in A. It takes that, increases that by 1. The result, it is storing again into the variable. So the operand must be a variable. Other than variable, nothing is allowed. So is that clear how to use this? Purpose is increase by 1 or decrease by 1. Only one operand is enough. The single operand also must be a variable, cannot be a value. And what type of operands allowed? Only numerics and character is allowed. Other strings, other things not allowed. Boolean strings are not allowed. Right? Now, you are seeing about 2 styles of using the operators. If you see a plus plus I have written, plus plus a I have written. 2 versions. These are called as prefix and postfix. Prefix and postfix. Which is the prefix? A plus plus. Where is this version is called as a prefix or postfix? This version is called as a prefix or postfix, guys. I am asking a plus plus what? A plus plus means whether operator is post to operand are pre to operand, post to operand. This is the postfix form. Plus a, prefix the form. This is called as prefix form. In some cases, this prefix form, postfix form works similarly, but in some cases, they make a difference. So we'll try to understand more about prefix and postfix forms. Prefix and postfix forms. So we can use this in a two ways, right? As discussed, we can use this in a two ways. First, I'm taking the prefix form. In prefix form, how you're going to use? In postfix form, how you're going to use? Okay. So prefix form of, again, we'll take the both. Increment prefix, how we will use? Decrement prefix, how we'll use? Okay. First, take the increment prefix. Suppose I am taking int a equals to 10, guys. Int a equals to 10. Prefix means how to use int b equals to plus a. Is this a prefix form, guys? Is this a prefix form? Similarly, decrement also, if you take int a equals to 10 and then int b equals to minus a. This is also prefix decrement. Prefix increment, prefix decrement. Okay. Now, we have to find out what is the a value and what is the b value, correct? What is the a value and what is the b value? We'll do that. You tell me int b equals to plus a. In this statement, is a Java statement ending with semicolon. In this statement, how many operators are there? In this, how many operators are there? Two operators. Very good. One is assignment, second is prefix. Now, when two operators are there, there is a computation always. We know that when an expression, when a statement contains the expression contains the multiple operators, then there is a computation that which one has to be evaluated first, which is the next. We need the precedence, priority of the operators. Now you have to answer between these two operators, which one has to be evaluated first. In the case of prefix, guys, first prefix will take the priority, assignment takes the second priority. So what is happening here? Prefix form, first, which one will happen? Increment will happen. Second, what happens? Second, assignment. Operator precedence is clear? So based on that, tell me the a value. Currently, a is the 10, guys. A is the 10. Next, after evaluating this line, what should be the a value and b value? After that, what is a value then? A also 11, right? First increment will happen. Increment of a, right? First you are doing this operation. Plus a you do. Plus a means first increase the a value by 1. So a becomes 11. First to 10, for example, then a becomes 11. Then this whole expression giving a result of 11. That will be assigned to b. And b value also now 11. Is that clear? Initially a is 10. You are saying plus a. Now increase the a value by 1. So increase to 11. Then 11 assigned to b. B is 11. Okay, wonderful. Come here. In this case, first decrement will happen. Am I right? First decrement, then assignment. Then assignment. So now currently What is the A value, guys? Initially A is 10. So in this, first it will do minus minus, A minus minus A takes the more priority. So A value becomes 9, decrease by 1, yeah, decrease to 9. Then the result assigned to B, B is the 9. Is that clear? Prefix. Next. Postfix also, again we have a increment can be used in the postfix. Decrement also can be used in the postfix. So in this again, increment case. Int A equals to 10. Int B equals to postfix means A plus plus I am writing. Now we have to find out the A value and B value after finishing the operation. And int A equals to 10. Int B equals to postfix decrement A minus minus. Here also we have to find out the A value and the B value. Initially here the A value 10, initially here the A value 10. So in this expression, let me to make this. These are all the notes you have to write down actually. In this expression, how many operators are there now? Postfix plus plus is there and assignment is there. Which takes the priority? In the case of postfix, guys, postfix priority is less than assignment. Reverse. First assignment, then increment. And this case, first assignment, then decrement. Okay. Now do the operations. A value 10. When I say A plus plus, first assignment, 10 assigned to B. 10 assigned to B, over assignment over. Then increase A value. Increase A value to 11. Understand? Decrement case, current 10 is there. Assign 10 to B. After assignment completed successfully, what is the pending? A decrement is pending. Decrease A value to 9. Is that clear about a prefix and postfix, all that? Super clear? Right. All right. Come back to the labs now. 102 completed, right? Back to the labs. 103. Labs on increment, decrement. 103.java. Okay. First, int A equals to 10. Printing the A value. A plus plus. I'm not doing any assignment, nothing, guys. I'm not doing any assignment in this case. Just printing the A value. What happens now? In this, how many operators are there? A plus plus. A plus single operator, right? Plus plus only. Just increment, increase the A value by 1. That's it. No change. When multiple operators are there, then you have to think about operator precedence. That's what I explained in the prefix and postfix. The values will change only when you have B minus minus. So it doesn't make any difference here. First A value 10, increase by 1, A 11. First B value 10, print it, then decrease by 1, B is the 9. So 10, 11, 10, 9. Nothing new. As we understand. Okay, simple. Now tricky. 104.java. Int some x equals to 10 or a equals to 10, whatever. Next I am doing a plus plus, again the plus plus, then print a value. Simple only, you just think and answer it. Very simple question, think and answer it. Pavitra's answer to Ponam 2, Samir 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Hari is telling error, Naveen is telling 12, Pankaj 12. Okay. You told like that. I will ask compiler then. What compiler will tell, we'll see. I think this is 104, guys. Yeah. Why error? Why error? Okay, I'm stopping. Two guys told error. Shekhar and Hari told error. Reason I want. Simply you are throwing a stone error or yes, Hari, you are right. So here see what happening, guys. You are doing a plus 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 plus. This is a variable a whose value 10, right? So here this expression will be replaced with a plus plus means 11. You are writing 11 plus plus. Can I do 11 plus plus? Can I do 11 plus plus? That is how the error, right? Compile it. Unexpected type. We have seen similar error previously somewhere. What is that required? Variable required, but found is value. Wherever s plus plus is there, in that case, value is there because the first a plus plus 11 is coming. 11 plus plus value is found, but required is a variable. 11 plus plus not allowed. Tricky, right? If I write it straight away, int x equals to 10. No. I'll write that straight away 10 plus plus. Is this okay? Can I write 10 plus plus? Int x equals 10 plus plus. Is this okay? Above also same as this, right? Int x equals 10 plus plus. Above also you written as 11 plus plus. 10 plus plus, not okay. This also same error has to come, right? Same error. Same error. See? Unexpected type, unexpected type. Required variable, found value. Required variable, found value. Another tricky question I'll ask you, get ready. Final int capital A equals to 99. Then I'm writing A plus plus. Yes, lastly you had to answer it. Abhishek responded quickly as an error. What about others? All are errors. Why? Why error? It is a final variable, right? Final variable occurrences will be replaced with the value. So what it becomes? A plus plus will be converted to 99 plus plus. And then this variable declaration will be removed. 99 plus plus not allowed, right? 99 plus plus not allowed. 10 plus plus not allowed. This is converted to 11 plus plus not allowed. All same mistake we are done. Same mistake we are done. In a different way, same mistake we are done. All has same error. Unexpected type. I need a required is variable. Found is value. Same error 3 times. See? Yeah, in a different, it is showing the message might be a different way. Cannot assign a value. Yeah, this can be because final variable. 2 errors in this line actually. 2 errors in this variable actually. Yes, 2 errors means 99 plus plus 1 error. And before that, your A is a final variable. A is a final variable means we can't change. You are asking to increase. Whether increasing secondary. Increasing, not increasing secondary option. First you are asking to increase, not allowed. So it is telling the first priority. 2 mistakes are there. It is showing first priority, final variable. Boss, you can't change a final variable. Right? So is that clear about increment, decrement, basic things? No. We'll go, we understand the prefix, postfix more, right? So we'll try to, A is Naveen, I don't understand your question. 105. Yeah, A is another variable, purely another variable. See this. Byte B equals to 10, guys. Okay. Byte B equals to 10. We can't add a value, actually. We can't add a value. See this. Byte B equals 10. B equals to B plus 1. Super simple example. Very simple example. Very simple math also. B value 10. I am asking increase 10 by 1. It becomes 11. I am asking print B. B value 11. I think this program will compile and run successfully, gives the value as 11. What do you say? Error incompatible, right? So you are clear on this. Because byte plus integer, one is the integer default, right? Byte plus integer is the integer. You are assigning integer to the byte, higher to lower, narrowing case, explicit casting is required. So this gives a compile time error. Very good, guys. You got it. 105 gives the compile time error. Super. Done. 106. Twist. B equals to B plus 1. Can I write simply as a B plus plus also? Why to write the big line B equals to B plus 1? Can I write a B plus plus? You can also write. Hmm. Now also compile time error, right? No, this is 106, guys. Compiled. Something is going on. Monica, compiled it is. Executed also. Even though I'll do one more 105, I'll give instead of 10, 127, I'll give 127. Whatever the value, byte plus integer is the integer. 105 integer only, right? Integer to byte conversion, 105 integer to byte conversion is incompatible types. Okay. Next 106 also, I'll give as 127 only. Whatever the value. But here 106 compiled. Can you tell the reason why it is compiled 106? You should give error, right? Why, Monica, Vishnupriya? Why it is giving error? Why it is running? No error in this. Yes, Pavani, this is another special case. It is data loss happens. See, 127 plus 1, 128. But it is showing as minus 128 means when it is converting that, it has gone. Data is gone. Something happened. Even 10 if you give also, no problem. You give 10 only. 10 plus 1, it is showing as 11. It is showing as 11. Clearly showing as 11. Means this is another case where implicit casting is happening in the case of narrowing. Is this narrowing case or not? In this narrowing happening or not? Yes, because result should be integer to byte lower, integer to lower, higher to lower, narrowing, but implicit casting is happening. This is second special case. Let me to go and write down that. Go to previous, go to previous, go to another previous. What are the two special cases, guys? Increment and decrement operators. Only in the case of increment decrement operators and compound assignment operators, only in the case of increment decrement operators and compound assignment operators, implicit casting happening in the case of narrowing. But other than these two cases, any other cases in Java, you have to do explicit casting in the case of narrowing. Is that clear, guys? Done. Back to next 107. We'll check the prefix and postfix, how you understand. How you understand prefix and postfix. We'll do that. Int A equals to 10. Int A equals to 10. Next, int B equals to A plus plus. Tell me, guys, if you know the prefix, postfix, clearly understand from my table, you tell me this. What's the output of this? I explained already this story. First assignment or increment? Postfix it is. First assignment. So 10 will be assigned to B. Then A will be increased. So A11, B10. A11, A11, B10. Pavitra, you reversed your return. Yeah. Eleven done. Assignment increment. Very good. Next. I'll take as X and Y. Minus minus X. Y equals to minus minus X. Minus or anyway, do plus only otherwise. Same thing only, right? Print X. Prefix I am testing you. Tell me the answers now. Second case, what to do? Increase and assign. 10 increase to 11. So X becomes the 11. Then assign 11 to Y. So 11, 11. 10, 11, 11, 10, 11, 11. Am I right? This is 11, 10. This is 11, 11. 11, 10, 11, 11. Very good. Next, one more on the, this lab is not there in the booklet. I'll try to add if possible, otherwise no. 107A. We'll do so many cases now. Into B equals to A plus plus. Next, into C equals to A plus plus. Full practice of this. Into D equals to plus plus A. Into A, into D after the D. What do you want? A, B, C, D, E equals to A plus plus. Into F equals to A minus minus. Into G equals to minus minus A. H equals to minus minus A. You have to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A you do last. A I am printing last because A varies, right? You start from beginning and tell me. A printing last. A output tell me last because do so many things on A only changing finally, right? So start with first printing B. You have to answer this now. Take your time. If you answer this, then you are super good in increment decrements. Prefix, postfix, all done. Quick. Poonam, Hari, mismatched. As of now, 2 answers I got. Sheikh, 10, 11, 13, 13, 14, mismatched. This third answer I got it. This is third answer I got it. So see, this is very you just learn, right? Where the people will get a problem is you are learning increment decrement so easy. If you ask LKG people also will tell a plus plus means increase by 1, decrease by 1. You small lab you are done. When you are applying in the complex scenarios, that will the applying correctly is the important. How you apply things properly, that is important. Core Java all, you learn so many pieces of information. We learned around 700, 800 labs in the Core Java. Means you're grasping so many things. This is all required for learning advanced. And you can't do any project with Core Java. Advanced Java required for doing a project. So to learn advanced Java, you should be strong in Core Java. Pavani, 10, 11, 13, 13, 14, 14, 13, 13. Oh, all sets different, I think, guys. Monika's answer somewhat matching with Hari's answer. Monica and Hari answer different. Remaining all Pavitra came with full set of new answers. I know. Okay, guys, come back. See, this kind of scenarios, if you directly think, you won't get it. See how I have drawn the diagram? Memory representations will give you the clarity. Start now. See this carefully, guys. So what is that A value first? A is the 10, guys. Okay. Now see, B, this expression I am taking. B equals to A plus plus. Postfix. Postfix means what I have to do? Postfix means what I have to do, guys? First assign or increment? First assign, then increment, right? So A value assigned to B. 10 assigned to B. Then increase A value. So A becomes 11. Next. Again similar. Assign A value. A is the 11 now. Assign the 11 and increase the A value to 12. Next, D equals to plus plus A. First increase to 13. Then assign to D. Yes, assign. Next, A plus plus. First assign, then increment. For assign 13 here. Then increase to 14. Next, F. First assign, then decrease. Assign 14 here. Then decrease to 13. Next, plus plus. First decrease to 12. Then assign to G. Next, minus minus. First decrease and then assign to H. Was that 11? Right? Finally, what is A value remaining for us? A is the 11. So what is the output? First I am printing B, right? B is the 10, 11, 13, 13, 14, 12, 11, and last A is the 11. So how many got this correctly? Hari and Monica, I think those two only. Understand, guys, how to crack these simple things. Only Hari and Monica's right, remaining all wrong. Some are not answered also. I think still computing or I don't know. Fine. So is that clear about increment, decrement operators? We are done fully about increment, decrement operators, guys. In this session, we are done with compound assignment plus increment, decrement operators. Okay. That's about today's session. Remaining operators we'll see in the next session. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.